vocal style. I feel very stimulated right now. It's like I'm buzzing. All right, today I'm checking out Man Woman Chainsaw. I'm listening to What Lucy Found There. Let's get into it.
Not to leave until I'd eaten all my greens. It wasn't my decision, no, it wasn't up to me. Out there in the garden or the patio beneath, what did Lucy find there? What did Lucy see? I'm gonna take a trip. You can reserve me. I'd rather take a trip. Let's go, Lucy. You can use me. You can reserve me. You're really into it. Stepping on the moonette. Take a second start at the right, go straight on the tilt.
Soon all of this is gonna turn into zits and skin. Pretty soon all of this.
Okay, this song is very stimulating. It's the lady going crazy on the violin, probably, who knows. The lady going crazy on the violin. The way the first guy was singing, it was pretty stimulating. And the song has been banging, so it's like a banger with violin, keeping a good pace. Both vocalists are interesting, but the way the guy was hearing like some kind of storytelling vocal style, I feel very stimulated right now. It's like I'm buzzing. It's hard to focus though. It's like a lot going on in the song. I have no clue. I just remember the woman said, like you could use me or something. That's like the only lyrics I remember from this song. It's like guitar, violin, vocals. Oh my God. I feel kind of scatterbrained.
Turn into zits and skin. Pretty soon all of this is gonna be blemishes. Let's go, Lucy. You can use me. You can reserve me. You're really into it.
Stepping on the moonette. Take the second start at the right and go straight on until go. I'd rather take a trip.
See, the guy here, he's got that kind of, it's dark and it's the I grew up listening to Tom Waits kind of vocals. You know what I mean? Also, those are really good vocals for certain kinds of stories. Well, maybe sadder stories or darker stories. So I found his vocals to be quite stimulating. The rest of the song is like the pianist or the keyboardist. I don't know. Like, it's just, what was going on there? Maybe like just evil genius on the keyboard. Down, 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 down. It's just a lot. There's a lot of elements in this song. The lyrics, you can use me, you can reserve me. Right? Back-to-back lyrics right there in the chorus. That's what I remember from the lyrics. The rest of the song is just like doom 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 doom. It's just a lot. This is the a lot song. There was a lot of music. Must be a love song. You're telling somebody you can use me, you can reserve me like I'm a piece of meat. I like that. I like the lingo there. Probably usually a woman would be saying that kind of stuff. I think they were both singing it in the chorus. What Lucy found there must be love. She found true love, and she's telling him that he can use her and reserve her. You know what I mean? That's some kinky talk right there.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.